Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Cheche Stitches here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make Ankara tote bag. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I folded my Ankara fabric on fold. The length is 15 inches, but if you open the unfold, the actual length of the bag is 30 inches, while the width I'm working with is 12.5 inches. The reason why I don't want to remove this label on this fabric is because I don't want when stitching the fabric will be coming together while stitching it. So I just left it. After sewing, I can then remove the label. For the handle, I've already folded the handle and the length is 22.5 inches. Once I'm done stitching the side, I'm going to open the down part of the lining. The down part of the lining needs to be opened, not unfold. I done the front of the bag. I'm going to be attaching the boat handle on it. I'm going to come in by 2.5 inches and I'm going to use my pin to hold it before stitching it on my sewing machine. To join both the lining and the actual bag, you also turn the good parts of the lining and that part that I stitched together to the part of the bag that I stitched also. You join them round and make sure the rhymes together. If they are not equal, you have to bring out the lining and shape on it so that it will be equal. And I'm going to go now and stitch it round. Once I'm done with the stitching, this is how it looks like. I'm going to make notches on it before turning it inside. To form the base on the bag is basically come down to the pointed part of the bag and mark 1.5 inches up and mark 1.5 inches down. Just watch carefully how I'm doing this. You do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go now and follow the traced part that I marked chalk on and stitch it. I'm going to go on now and stitch on top of the bag so that the lining won't be coming out when you carry the bag. As you can see now, the lining is more relaxed now than when we haven't matched on it. The next thing now is to fold the lining. I usually work with two methods in folding inside bag lining for myself. So this is the first method I work with. If you do watch my tutorials constantly, you will know this method very well. The second method I usually work with is very easy and very fast. You just fold in the rough edges this way and stitch it. So guys, this video was very quick and interesting. If you found it interesting also, give it a thumbs up. Right now I'm done making the bag. I can go now and remove this label using a hot iron or kerosene. Once you recreate any of my bag here following my tutorial, don't forget to tag me on my IG at Churches Stitches. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video every day. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye.